Hi everyone, Master Teacher Holly Holland here today with another in a series of one healthy movement at a time, exercises designed to help you overcome osteopenia and osteoporosis. This is a little bit more advanced exercise than I've done in some of the previous videos, so if this is too much for you right now, choose one of the others. I'm going to do a hip strengthener today. The femur bone, which is the largest bone in your body, is also one that is commonly involved in fracture when you have low bone density. So we're going to try to really stress that. I've got a safe mat here. I like to crisscross them because that really works for me and being able to move all over the place. And I've got a sturdy folding chair. You could certainly do this on the wall or in a kneeling position. I like to use the chair because it just doesn't feel like I'm stressing my wrists too much as you hold on to the sides. Now, the position of this you may have to change as you kind of figure out where's that ideal spot for your leg to come back, so you can adjust the chair as needed. Truly, you can see that I'm not really putting a lot of weight on my wrist. I'm just using to hold it for a little bit of support. Most of the work is going down into this standing leg hip. And here I want to really feel that that femur bone driving into the acetabulum is level. It's pivoting at the hip socket itself and not rounding my back. My back leg, I'm trying to keep at the level of my hips, no higher. It's as if I'm balancing a tray of drinks across my backside. As you press into the wall and press down into the foot, you really maximize the impact into that hip bone. Make sure that you're not hyperextending your knee and taking the work more into the joint line than into the actual bones and the muscles that support your hip. You can just do this for as long as you can endure it or build up to it over time. Okay, I'm going to change legs. Take a little bit of time to do a little happy dance with my hips there. And step back with that opposite leg. Okay. First thing I want to make sure is that I'm level back here. I don't have to come quite as high as this hip position, but I definitely don't want to come any higher than it. Then again, I'm just going to take my hands to the side, have a nice long neck position, and try to really feel the centering in that stable leg, all the way around the edges of the feet and into the big toe here. Now I'll work back into this back leg and really feel the resistance pushing into the wall. It's a nice position there to feel so much strength. Almost you can feel it electric in your hip. Again, just stay as long as you're able to, build up over time. As I come off of that, I want to make sure that I do a nice flat back position to return to standing. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you next time.